Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education channel. Let us continue the lesson, The Lost Child. In our previous session, we came to know that the child was attracted by the sweet burfi and the garland of gulmohar. He wanted to ask to buy them, but he did not ask his parents because he knew very well that his parents would refuse his demand by saying he was greedy, and that was very cheap to wear the garland of gulmohar. Then the child, without waiting for an answer, he moved on. Now let us continue. A man stood holding a pole with yellow, red, green and purple balloons flying from it. The child was simply carried away by the rainbow glory of their silken colors, and he was filled with an overwhelming desire to possess them all. See that a man stood holding a pole with yellow, red, green and a purple balloon flying from it. Okay, he was holding a stick and different color, yellow, green, red and purple color balloon were flying from that stick. The child was simply carried away by the rainbow glory of their silken colors. The child, he was very much attracted by the different color, rainbow colored balloons, silken color. Silken means here shining. Okay, different color shining balloons. By seeing those balloons, he was very much attracted, and he was filled with an overwhelming desire to possess them all. And he was filled with overwhelming means strong emotion. He was filled with strong desire to possess them all. He wanted to have all those balloons. But he well knew his parents would never buy him the balloons because they would say he was too old to play with such toys. But he did not ask his parents because he knew very well that his parents would say he was too old, already he was grown up to play with such toys. Okay, for your age, you should not play with balloons. It is not suitable toy for you, parents may tell him. He knew that. That's why he did not ask his parents. So he walked on further. Okay, that's why he continued his walking. A snake charmer stood playing a flute to a snake which coiled itself in basket. Its head raised in graceful bend like the neck of a swan, while the music stole into its invisible ears like the gentle rippling of invisible waterfall. Yes, then he saw a snake charmer stood playing flute to a snake, which coiled itself in basket. The snake, it was coiled itself in the basket. Its head raised, then snake's head raised in graceful bend like neck of swan. Yes, that snake head, it is looking like what? The neck of a swan, the graceful bend, in a graceful manner, it was bent like the neck of a swan, while the music stole into its invisible ears. Okay. When the flute sound reached to its invisible ears like gentle rippling of the invisible waterfall. The sound of flute reached to the snake in the manner of gentle rippling. Rippling means the ripples. If you throw a stone in the water, it creates a ripple. Like that, those sound waves reached to the snake. Then it raised its head, and its head was like the graceful bend like the neck of swan. Okay. The child went towards the snake charmer. Then the child, he went towards the snake charmer, but knowing his parents had forbidden him to hear such coarse music as the snake charmer played, he proceeded further. But he was not ready to stand there because his parents forbidden means not allowed him to hear such kind of coarse music. Coarse means unpleasant music or a harsh music. That's why the child did not stand in front of a snake charmer for a long time. Immediately he recalled that my parents already told me not to hear this kind of music. Then suddenly he left that place. He proceeded, he moved forward, further. There was a roundabout in full swing. Men and women and children carried away in a whirling motion, shrieked and cried with dizzy laughter. The child watched them intently, and then he made a bold request. I want to go on roundabout. Please, father, mother. See, there was roundabout. Roundabout means just like a giant wheel or some other turning instruments. People sit on that, it turns. Okay. There was a roundabout in full swing. It was swinging, okay, circling. Men and women and children carried away in whirling motion. The men, women and children were carried away in whirling motion. Whirling means circling motion. Okay. Shrieked and cried with dizzy laughter. Yes, all of them were shrieking. Shrieking means screaming and crying with dizzy laughter. Dizzy laughter means playful or silly laughter. They were screaming in a loud voice in order to express their happiness. Okay. The child watched them intently. Then child watched them intently. Intently means closely or attentively or very carefully. And then he made a bold request. He could not resist himself. In a bold manner, he asked. Earlier, he wanted to ask, he did not ask. But this time, he asked his parents. I want to go on roundabout. Please, father, mother. I want to go on roundabout. Please, father and mother. He made bold request. There was no reply. Then there was no reply from his parents. He turned to look at his parents. Then he turned back in order to look at his parents. They were not there ahead of him. They were not there ahead of him, in front of him. They were not there. He turned to look on either side. He turned to look them both the side. Okay, he turned to look on either side, that side, this side. They were not there. He looked behind. Again he turned back. He looked there. There was no sign of them. There was no sign of his parents. His parents were not there. Then what happened? Let us see in the next session. Thank you for watching.